I'm sure you guys have seen those creepy animated stories at least once in YouTube Shorts or TikTok. There's this TikTok page that's pulling in millions of views just by posting them. Even on YouTube, there's a channel that gained a total of 4 million views with only 39 uploads. And it's not just views. He is easily making around $5,000 every single month. But the problem is, most people have no idea how to actually make these videos. Some try, but they end up switching multiple AI tools, editing for hours, and still not getting close to the quality you see on those viral channels. But today, I'll show you exactly how I did this in just 2 minutes using a single AI tool. And the best part, it doesn't just generate a video script for you, but it even generates scenes in one click. So here's the deal. In this video, I'll show you the full step-by-step process without gatekeeping anything. We'll start by creating a channel name and logo using AI. Then I'll show you how to generate viral video ideas and scripts that actually stand out from competitors. After that, we'll jump into creating those dark story videos. And finally, I'll share my monetization blueprint so you can start earning right away. All you need are right prompts that help you create a brilliant story, idea, and script. And yes, I've already created prompts for those, which I'm giving you guys for free. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because you'll walk away with everything you need to launch your own faceless channel in this brand new niche. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a short preview if you haven't seen this niche before.
Did you know there are rumors of a subway train in New York that only appears after midnight? Commuters call it the ghost line. Witnesses claim they board a normal-looking train, but once the doors close, everything changes. The windows turn pitch black, the lights flicker, and the usual station announcements are replaced by faint whispers. Passengers say the train doesn't stop at any station on the map.
Alright, let's start with the basics. For faceless niches like this, your account name and logo are basically your personality. So instead of sitting for hours trying to come up with one, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created a Google document with every single prompt that I'll be using in this video. It makes the whole process super easy. You'll find it in my Discord video prompts channel. I'll leave the link to the Discord server in the description below. Just copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And in seconds, you'll have a list of spooky channel names. Just pick the one that feels right. Once you have a name, it's time for the logo. I like using Leonardo AI for this, as it's free, but any image generator works. Simply copy and paste the second prompt from my Google Doc into the prompt box. Just remove this placeholder text and add your channel name that you've selected from ChatGPT. Click here and choose the latest Lucid Origin model. Also, just make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1, and simply click Generate. In less than a minute, you'll have a polished logo that looks like you paid a designer. And just like that, your faceless channel is ready. Alright, now comes the most important part of this entire process, which is the script. These creepy cartoon videos focus on two things: a hook that grabs attention and a dramatic tone with emotional tension. So once again, we'll use ChatGPT. Go to the Google Doc I mentioned and simply copy the third prompt. Drop it into ChatGPT, then just hit enter. And you'll get 10 incredible video ideas, which are engineered to go viral. And if you're not satisfied with the generated ideas, then simply hit regenerate on the same prompt, and you'll have 10 more in seconds. Now, to convert one of those video ideas into a script, I've included another prompt inside the same Google Doc. Simply copy this last prompt and paste it into the same conversation. Just remove this placeholder and add one of your selected video idea. When you hit enter, it writes the kind of script that blows up. I'm talking about creepy, suspenseful story with an engaging hook. This is how easy and quick it is. Just copy, paste, and watch the algorithm love you. Now technically, you can definitely create such videos for free using multiple AI tools and hours of editing. But mark my words, those will look shit, as those free AI tools aren't that capable of generating such cool animations and the video style that your competitors are making. So the tool that solved all of these problems was Clippy AI. This tool makes it extremely easy to create viral short videos in minutes. You've probably seen it before being used for fake text stories or Twitter thread videos, but they've just released a brand new template specifically designed for this dark cartoon niche. So head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you've signed up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Now before moving forward, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I share new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless channel strategies every week. Click on the creepy cartoon feature, and you will be led to this dashboard. You can choose the AI scriptwriter option to generate the video script from just a prompt. But for now, I'll just paste the script generated by ChatGPT. Then select an art style from the options given below. For this specific niche, the dark cartoon style is perfect, but you can definitely experiment with others. Now in the voice section, you can choose a voiceover. As you can see, it offers a wide range of options. You can also preview a voice by clicking here. I particularly like Liam's voice, as it perfectly matches with the videos of our niche. Below are some additional settings like stability and similarity. You can adjust them using the slider. Lastly, click on the Generate Scenes button. It will start generating visuals according to your entered script. So let's skip the generation process. And as you can see, the scenes are ready. Now this is very cool. It lets you fine-tune every detail. You can edit the script of a particular scene. You can also regenerate a scene for free if you didn't like one. Simply modify or enter a completely new image prompt. Choose a prompt mode and click on this Regenerate button, and a completely new image will be added. So once everything looks good, let's move forward to the background section. You can choose a background music from here. As you can see, it has a wide range of options. Ideally, the niche we're replicating uses this background music. Therefore, I'll choose the same. You can even upload your own background audio. The following slider is used to adjust the volume of the background music, and this one is used to increase the speed. Next, choose a transition style. For now, I'll go with the smooth option. From below, you can choose the particles and sound effects option to be added automatically in the video. As of now, I will only select the particles option. The last section is captions. You can choose a caption style from the options given. From here, you can modify some additional settings based on your needs, like caption positioning, its size, font, and much more. Finally, we're all set. Click on the Export button. Enter a name for your file and click Render Video. Clippy will start the video generation. So, let's fast forward the generation process. And as you can see, our video is ready. Simply click this button to download the video. Here's how it looks.
Did you know there's a Mr. Beast video that was filmed but never released? Back in the early days of his channel, rumors say Mr. Beast took a group of contestants to an abandoned island for one of his insane challenges. But this wasn't just any island. Locals called it Cursed, a place where voices echoed at night. The cameras captured something else. Contestants claimed they heard whispers in the trees, like someone was calling their names. Crew members reportedly begged to leave, saying the island felt alive. The next morning, filming stopped. The footage was never uploaded, and no one in the crew ever spoke publicly about what happened. To this day, fans claim the lost challenge was destroyed. Others say the tapes still exist, hidden in a vault, waiting for the day someone dares to upload them.
Bro, are you kidding me? This actually looks insane. But wait, posting videos is just the beginning. Here are some tips to start making money from day one. Don't just stick to one platform. Once your video is ready, post that exact video on multiple platforms. Same content, zero extra work, and you're reaching entirely new audiences on each platform. Also, the prompts which I've created for you guys is what makes your channel unique, and videos stand out against the competitors. On top of that, comment viral below. If you want the secret prompt, I use to extract SEO-optimized titles and tags for each video. Lastly, if you're serious about making money online, then I've also included monetized and aged YouTube accounts inside my Discord server. This means you can start earning from day one instead of waiting for the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour threshold. In fact, one of my Discord members just followed this strategy and successfully monetized an aged channel right away. And that's how easy it is to launch a faceless channel in this creepy cartoon niche. You have now got the tool, the prompts, and the entire blueprint to start creating viral videos in minutes. This niche won't stay hidden for long, so don't wait until everyone else catches on. The link to Clippy AI is in the description, along with the free Google Doc full of prompts inside my Discord. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because I've got even crazier AI side hustle videos coming next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.